So you can see the way I formatted. These are the poems, right? The formatting, and these are standard things you'll just add to your book. I always start with the table of contents, as I told you before, and from the table of contents, just a Word document, I start filling in and reorganizing and see a sequence. So for those of you who are trying to write, start with a table of contents and maybe dedicate one page to each topic. You'll find that you'll naturally start expanding out the topics. And then you'll find that there'll be a branch of one topic that is so big that maybe needs its own book. So you find yourself maybe writing 2 books at the same time. Yes, that is how creation works. Remember, when the information is coming, it's a bit disorganized, and that's okay. Don't get discouraged when you feel like you're scatterbrained and you're everywhere. It's okay. Just keep documenting and documenting. With time, you start writing, and as you're editing, some things have to be removed to be put maybe in a different book, in a different short, small summary book or whatever.